Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you all an instant easy whitening and brightening pedicure. It will also give you smooth and younger looking feet. The best thing is that it hardly takes 5 minutes and it will give you 100% results. So let's get started. So first I'm going to remove the nail paint with the help of a nail polish remover. Then rub a layer of Vaseline on your feet. Half filled a large bowl with warm water. It should be big enough to soak both your feet at once. Add the fresh juice of half lemon. So then I prefer adding any good face wash consisting of natural brightening ingredients to the warm water so that it won't strip moisture out of your feet and will also help in brightening. Lather it using your hand. Leave the feet to soak for 2 to 3 minutes. So as the water has softened your toenails, so the task of removing dirt from your nails becomes much easier. Now with the help of a nail shaper, remove the dirt deposits inside the nails. Clear all the dead skin from the feet with the help of pumice stone or a foot scrubber. Gently rub on the hard skin to smooth it. Lift your feet out of the bowl and use this instant brightening and whitening scrub. To prepare the scrub, combine 3 tablespoons of semi-fine sugar powder with 2 teaspoons of orange juice. Apply to your slightly damp feet and rub the paste by applying moderate pressure for a minute and then rinse off with cool water. Pat the feet dry with a clean towel. Moisturize your feet with coconut oil or with your favorite cream. Shape your nails and finish off by applying your favorite nail polish. This simple and super effective pedicure helps you get rid of layers of tan, prevent wrinkles, and leaves your feet velvety, smooth, fair, and glowing. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye.